A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all in today's session of English literature, in which today we will be dealing with chapter 2nd, which is a thorough job. Right? There was always a hustle and bustle in my grandmother's backyard. Backyard is the backside of house. Hustle and bustle means lot of movement, lot of confusion being there. Often a visitor would stare in shock at the commotion that went on there, right? That means there was always a sort of movement, always something was happening there. And whenever a visitor, an unknown person would see it, he would always be in a shock at so much things happening there. The barking of dogs, screeching of parrots, purring of cats, and the clucking of hens. My grandmother was particularly fond of her hens, for they were a prized species, right? Now the grandmother was very you can say caring, loving for her hens, right? And she always regarded them as her prized species, very valuable things, right? One day my grandmother discovered that some of the hens had fleas on them. Fleas is a kind of infection, and a frenetic solution of to get rid of them was sought for, and the doctor kill me quick. Oops. Sorry, my grandmother came up with one of his great. My grandfather came up with one of his great brain waves. Okay. Now, when the grandmother discovered that these hens are getting some infection on them, right? Fleas, infection of fleas on them, then there was a solution which came to her mind to just get rid of them was sought, right? And then some with some device, some mechanism, and then the grandfather suggested of an idea. He stated that Gamaxine was the remedy to our problem. Now, Gamaxine is one chemical which is used as an anti-infective, right? So, against our wishes and ignoring the frenetic pleading from my grandmother, he marched off to the chemist shop and returned with 2 tins of Gamaxine. A lot of Gamaxine. These are the in disinfectants which are generally sprayed in our houses to get rid of any infective things which is there, right? Grandmother made us all go and put on our oldest clothes, for no one never knew what disaster might befall when my grandfather put his hand to any job. And off we went to assist him in his treatment. Now, what grandmother did was, grandmother told all these children to wear their oldest clothes, because after the spraying of Gamexine, these clothes can be removed, can be thrown away, right? Because it's a very dangerous kind of medicine, kind of chemical, right? See here in the picture, this is the backyard of the grandmother. See, the grandmother is standing and lots of animals are there, right? Can you see that? Okay, children, so we move ahead. Now, to begin with, he just opened the fowl's pen and let them all out. Now what happened was, he opened the gate. Now one more line is mentioned here. See, children, in this page there is one more line, that the grandmother was very apprehensive about the capabilities and the children above the grandfather. See, it is written, one never knew what disaster might befall when my grandfather puts his hand on any job, right? That means whenever grandfather used to take up any job, right, the job always used to go haywire, right? That is what. And here the problem is that the chemical is also very dangerous, so everywhere danger was huge there. Now what happened with, to begin with, he just opened the fowl's pen. Fowl's pen is the uh, the small place where all these hens are there. Then there was an utter chaos in the backyard, right? और जैसे ही opened that gate, all the animals came running out, all the hens came running out. The cats were after the hens, and the duty-conscious dogs chased the cats. Now, the cats went after hens to kill them, to hunt for them for food, and then the duty-conscious dogs went after the cat to avoid them from getting to the hens. 20 minutes later, we managed to subdue the dogs, catch the cats, and chase the hens back into their pens. Right? Then what happened was, 20 minutes this ruckus continued, and after that they were able to calm the dogs and then catch the cats, and then hens को अब उनके पिंजड़े के अंदर ले गए. All this done with us getting only a few scratches here and there, and the hens losing only a few tail feathers. Means in all this ruckus there was few scratches on the body of these people, and then the hens lost just a few feathers. See that this picture clearly illustrates what was happening there. You can see the cat running after the hens and the dog running after the cat. Okay. Now, Dettol was applied on our scratches, and grandfather, severely reprimanded and quite subdued, went back to complete his great mission alone. Now, on all the scratches, see, because these are the scratches made with uh, made by some animals which are there or something, right? So they needed an antiseptic to be applied on it, and the antiseptic applied was Dettol. And then due to such injuries being onto the some small children, the grandfather was severely scolded by the grandmother, and also the children also blamed him that due to the grandfather they got so many injuries. So then the grandfather was subdued, and he went to continue his mission alone, right? Okay, but it was too good to be true that grandfather had begun without causing any more pandemonium, right? It was too good to be true that it was. Well, we cannot just imagine that the grandfather is continuing the job and nothing more is going to happen. We were all very suspicious that now something else will happen, right? And more pandemonium or more trouble will be caused. Crash! Down fell the tin of Gamaxine. Grandmother, at a loss of words, just turned her back on him. Now there was a crash, and the entire Gamaxine tin, the Gamaxine, the chemical, the harmful chemical, fell there, and now grandmother was lost for words. Means she wanted to scold the grandfather a lot, but she was not finding the words, so she just turned her back on him. Right, children? So this is a very humorous kind of a story. It's a story about a grandmother who is having hens. Now these hens have got an infection, so to cure that, Gamaxine was suggested by the grandfather to the grandmother, right? And then all grandfather was a very notorious kind of person. He can never do anything without causing a pandemonium, and the same thing occurred in the first instance. The moment the gate of the hen's house was opened, then there was a ruckus, and in that the children got injured. Dettol was applied on them, and the grandfather got scolded a lot. Right, children? He got a lot of scolding from grandmother, but later on things were. Then the grandfather went on to do the task alone, and there was a crash, and the tin of Gamaxine fell down. Right. On that note, we stop here today. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed hearing this as much as I did in explaining it to you. Thank you, children, and have a great day.